Yep, lots of drill work to do. Let's get on with it so we can install 2 more double plugs. I'm just going to do some chain drilling over there, so I don't need to fill up over there, but just on that side. That's going to be easier, and yeah, just less work for me. Right, that's the first bit. Holes has been drilled with a 6mm drill bit. I will carry on now with a 10mm drill bit, do all the holes over again, and after that I'll go for, I think it's a 14mm drill bit, and then use chisel, hammer, and just chase it all out. It takes super long, and this is an effort, but we're gonna get there. Yeah, I've hit my hand, my one finger, so many times with a hammer on the same place. This is not funny anymore. Yes, man. Yeah. Almost there. Almost there. Let's keep on knocking. Let's just get the job done. Guess I'm doing things a little bit backwards. Was supposed to first put the cement in and then the plug itself. Well, that's how it goes. yeah, not a super exciting week this week. A little bit of a quiet one. But believe you me, next week, it's gonna get rough. See you then.